Hello, today we will guide you through how to set spacing in Framer. To begin, open your Framer project and navigate to the Nestel website template. Vui to copy. This template provides a practical canvas where you can see spacing changes immediately, which makes it ideal for learning and fine-tuning. Once the project loads, open the sample page in the project. Working on a sample page ensures you're adjusting a real layout with multiple elements, so the impact of spacing is clear and consistent across sections. On the canvas, click the section, frame, or component whose spacing you want to adjust. Then, look to the right-hand Properties panel for the type setting. This control defines how the selected layer lays out its children. If it isn't already set to a structured layout, switch it to Grid. Choosing Grid gives you precise, repeatable spacing and aligns elements cleanly into rows and columns. It also reveals the key controls you'll use to dial in spacing. With Grid selected, start by adjusting the gap. Gap is the space between items within the grid. Increasing it opens up breathing room between cards, images, or text blocks. Decreasing it pulls items closer together for a tighter composition. Watch the canvas as you nudge values so you can see how line breaks, wrapping, and alignment respond. If the interface allows separate horizontal and vertical gaps, you can keep rows roomy while keeping columns snug, or vice versa. The goal is to create a consistent rhythm that matches your design's tone. Next, adjust the padding. Padding is the internal space between the grid's content and the edges of its container. Think of it as the frame's built-in margins. Increasing padding makes the whole section feel more spacious and prevents content from touching the sides. You can link all sides to keep them equal or unlink to fine-tune top, right, bottom, and left independently. This is especially helpful for hero sections or cards where you want extra top or bottom breathing room while keeping side padding aligned with the rest of the page. A few tips as you work. Aim for a simple spacing scale, like increments of 4 or 8, so your layout feels cohesive. Keep an eye on how spacing looks at different widths using Framer's preview. If something feels off, small, incremental changes are usually best, and you can always undo to revert. That's it. Open the template, open the sample page, set type to grid, then fine-tune gap and padding for clean, consistent spacing throughout your design.